In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select all tasks in ClickUp if you ever need to make bulk changes, move multiple items, or quickly review everything in a view. Knowing how to select all tasks will save you a lot of time. First, open your ClickUp account. You can do this in your web browser or desktop app. Once you're in, let the workspace load so your spaces, folders, and lists appear in the sidebar. This ensures everything is ready for selection and you're seeing the most up-to-date information. Next, look to the left panel and click All Tasks. This view pulls in tasks across your workspace so you can see a comprehensive list. It's a great place to confirm you're working with the full set of items you want. If you prefer to work inside a specific space, folder, or list, that's fine too. The selection tools work the same way inside those views. Now, locate the specific task area you want to work with and click the three dots, often called the More Options or Overflow menu. You'll see this three-dot icon near a task entry or in the header of the list, depending on your current view. Click it to open the options for that section. From the menu, choose Select All. When you do this, ClickUp will highlight all the tasks in the current view so they're ready for bulk actions. You'll notice check marks or visual highlights indicating that everything in sight has been selected. This lets you confidently proceed with whatever you need next, such as organizing, assigning, or updating details without clicking each item individually. If you prefer a manual approach or only want to include certain items, you can select tasks one by clicking the checkbox next to each task. This is handy when you need a custom subset and don't want everything in the view selected. Simply click each box to build your selection at your own pace. A few quick tips to keep in mind as you do this. Select All applies to the tasks visible in your current view. If some tasks are hidden by filters, groups, or collapsed sections, those hidden items won't be included in the selection. Also, your ability to select tasks may depend on your permissions within the workspace. Finally, when everything is selected, take a second to glance through the list to make sure it matches your intention before making changes. That's it. Opening your account, going to all tasks, using the three-dot menu to select all, or selecting items manually with checkboxes. With this workflow, you can manage large sets of tasks quickly and confidently.